Hey YouTube, this is Southern Prepper One. I'm going to bring you some real intel from the Ukraine, Russia. You know, me and JD teamed up together to bring you some products, and one of the products is the emergency shelter kit. And I'll talk more about this in a second, but the reason I'm showing you this is because the guy that we work with that has put all the designs for all of our boxes is a Ukrainian. He lives in Ukraine. And we just talked to him. I personally didn't talk to him, but JD did. And let me tell you what he said. He is stuck in one of the Cold War bunkers. The Russians have just moved through his town and did what they want. Annihilated it, bombed it, blew it up, utter destruction. So he's stuck in there. JD was able to get comms with him, and JD said, "Can we send you some money to help you?" And the guy said, "It will do no good. Money's worthless right now in his section." He says it doesn't matter if you have tons of money. They don't have anything to buy. You have no access to banking. So to us, that should be a lesson. You might be saying, well, Dave, I'm doing a little prep, but I got $20,000 in the bank, and if things get bad, I'm just going to get that money out, run to Walmart, or run to the store, or order ammo. Money right now to this guy is worthless. He is stuck in a Cold War bunker. He is alive with family and friends, but he has no heat. He has food is getting lower, and there's no place to go buy food. So even if he had a stack of money, it will do you no good. The one thing, those bunkers are concrete. They have no electricity in them, or basically there's no electricity because it's shut off in his area. It's been destroyed. So it's very, very cold. And if you remember, look at the pictures. People are carrying 1 or 2 small bags. So I wish I could send 1,000 of these over there to people because this could keep them warm. The Mylar, it works. But he's the one that has designed everything. He's designed all these pictures, all this on here. He's put everything on here for us. So I personally don't know him other than through the business. But it's a real person that is suffering. Him and his family is suffering right now because of this war. I want to say, there's no chance for him to start prepping. There's nothing. The game has started for him. So it's not like he can go out and say, okay, I need to do all this stuff. I need to listen to what Dave and JD said and stock up. So it's going to be the same for us one day. Right now there is still time to prepare. Oil is going through the roof. Commodities are going through the roof. But there's still food in Walmart. So take this time and go out and prepare. Get things you need. Flashlights, water filters, Mylar kits, blankets, food, ammo, guns, anything you're going to need. Look at the situation over there. People have become refugees in a second. You might say, Dave, I am so dug into my place, I'm not leaving for nothing. Don't ever say that. Have a plan. Have a bug out bag packed, ready to go. You have no idea what's going to happen, so don't assume. You as a prepper plan for everything, and that includes hunkering down in place, slugging it out with someone over your supplies, over your family's safety, or grabbing the bug out bags and saying, you know what, it's best that I live and fight another day, grab the family up, and head out, either be by vehicle or by just walking into the woods, walking and disappearing. So have that plan. He has a lot of footage for us. We're trying to get his footage. We're trying to get his pictures, but it's very hard to because of the internet where he is. The Russians have just gone through his town and village. I'm not going to give you the name of that just because maybe OPSEC, but the Russians know everything because they're there. But he is sitting in a bunker right now as we speak, worried about what? Food. He's worried about water. He is worried about staying warm. So learn from him. Get prepared. As you know, we're giving away 20 items, your pick of any of our 3 items. So sign up. I'll put the link for the sign up. It's basically an emergency email list. We have not picked it yet. It's just because JD has been extremely busy and I have been extremely busy. But next Monday's the cutoff. Monday morning, he's going to pick 20 lucky winners, and they can pick any of our 3 products absolutely free. We'll have it sent right to your house as a thank you for your support, and it motivates you. If you can't afford things, do what you can. Put water back. Build up friendships. But this is time to get serious. If this was just a hobby for you, something to do, something to entertain you, it's going to be a lot more than that in the coming days, with the cost of everything just going through the roof. So, for me, it's gotten personal. We actually have a radio we're wanting to sell, but our guy can't even make the box. We're going to have to find someone else to make the design on the box and all our pictures added to this box. He can't do it. We'd love for him to do it because he's done a great job for us in the past, but he is actually fearing for his life right now in a bunker, cold, tired, wet. And pray for them. Pray for those people. I don't care what side you're on. Pray for peace in Ukraine. Pray for peace in Russia. Pray for leaders to be leaders and to take charge and solve this problem. So I'll put the link down here in the description. I'll pin it in the first comment. Just go and sign up. This email list is, I don't think we put a single email out to it. We need to, but we don't want to bug you, but we want a method of getting to you in a case of emergency and YouTube goes down to give you some information. And you know what? Maybe next week after the 14th, I'll make a video just for you guys that subscribe as a reward. And we'll talk personally, and I won't put it on YouTube. It'll be just for you people. And we'll talk about the Ukraine, Russia, and what you need to get ready for. Thanks for watching.